Well, hi everybody. Yep, we're back in the store. This seems to be where we need to be. I love doing the videos from the house that just give you the rundown and the deals, because I can give you so many more deals than I can when I'm in the store. But this is where it seems you like to be, so we're here. So while we're here and talking, please like and share the video. Look below, hit that share button, share it to your Facebook newsfeed. It's the quickest and easiest way to do the deed and help out the channel and help out thousands of people. Yep, and get yourself some good blessings and good vibes in the process. Yeah, why? Because, well, you helped a lot of folks when you did that. And of course, leave us a comment. Let us know what's going on in your neck of the woods, in your DGs. Because I don't get as many DG stories as I used to. I kind of miss them. And of course, allow the video to play all the way to the end. That's super important, because that's how YouTube judges how interested you are in how they put us out there. So please, please, please share it and allow it to play to the end. Two most important things. Leaving a comment is the third important thing. And just being here is the most important thing to me. So thank you, my crazy friends. And for those of you who just stopping by or, haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Don't wait. You might miss a deal. All right, everybody. I try to change up that spiel every time, and every time I try to change it up, it just gets longer. But, it is what it is. And what it is, well, we got a lot of unadvertised deals this week. The ad itself is really sparse. It's 4 pages of, seems like, just repeats. But we have a lot of good unadvertised deals this week, and some double dips, and I'm about to tell you about them. Okay? Okay. Let me tell you about the Scott deal. I needed paper towels. I don't so much need the Scott toilet paper, okay? I got plenty of the TP. I do need this, however. But 2 of these paper towels is $10. Yeah, no. We're going to pick up 2 Scott TPs, okay? 2 Scott TPs, 2 Scott paper towels. $14 today. Have a 2 off on the toilet paper and a $4 instant savings. There is no coupon for the Scott paper towels. It's a shame, because that would have been a really, really good deal. Now, we do have the Brown Dot Home. Buy one, get one 50% off. So that is one of those deals that we were talking about before. Now, this is another deal. We have a $3 off when you spend 10, and these are on sale. They're $6. So 2 of these, well, they're not on sale, but they have them. They're $6, and they'll be $12. So you'll be paying $9 for 2. Here's one of these. Save $2 when you buy 2 Lysol wipes or all-purpose Lysol cleaner. And these are $4.25, so $8.50 be $6.50 for 2. Okay, I had to grab some stuff and go to an aisle so I can tell you about it. This is a double dip deal right here. You've got a store coupon for 2 for $10. These are normally $6, so there's a $2 savings just with that store coupon. Okay? And then you've got a manufactured coupon for this item also. You've got a $2 off manufacturer. Okay? And a $2 for $10 store coupon. Okay? So you'll be paying $8 for 2, $4 a piece. So winner chicken dinner. You're saving $2 for each one. Okay? Instead of Next up, you've got a $2 off. And it's attaching to these 450 Tango beads. And or the other traditional gain beads are also $4.75. But if you want to lower out of pocket, use that $2 off on this one. Okay. So far we've got we've got $9, $10, $11 going with this. Okay, this is just to show you, because I don't need any of this. And then I'm going to tell you about these. On Fetch, if you don't know what Fetch is, it's a rebate app. You can get it right here. Just simply scan this QR code, or you can go to the Play Store, but use this referral code because this is going to give you money to start with. It is the simplest rebate app there is. It works well with Dollar General. It works with any receipt just about. And it also gives you lots of free items like this stuff right here. There is a 2,700 point payout for these. That's actually a money maker on 2. These are $1 a piece. Yeah. Winner, money maker. Okay? So if you haven't signed up for Fetch yet, go ahead and do so. Do it now. Use this QR code and get started. That way, hopefully, by the time summer rolls around, you have some points you can use to help with summer vacations, summer trips, gas. I mean, you can redeem for almost anything. Oh, basically anything. Now, let's talk about this 3-day sale that starts tomorrow. Okay? Because this is something similar I already took advantage of that I showed you in the previous video. What I did was the 3 12-packs. Okay? And then I did this deal right here. And then I also did another set of this one off another account with more chips and a lot of other things. So go back and watch that video and you'll see the list of things that I actually got. There was even more that I didn't state. And it was basically $100 worth of items for a little less than 50. So yeah, winner. You want to save that kind of money, you're in the right place. Alright. 3 for $15 on the A&W and the Dr. Pepper and the Canada Dry. You can mix and match, which makes this a really great deal. I also did that deal on Saturday as well. Those were 3 for $13 and with a $2 off. You also have the Pepsi bottles on sale, 3 for $95, and that $4 off when you spend $14, I think it is, on Mountain Dew, will work with that one. Okay, your True Living plates, 2 for $7. And then this is the big one right here. You've got these tubs, these 18-gallon tubs that are really $9.50 a piece. Buy one, get one free. And you also have your Brawny paper towels, $3.95. That's a really good deal. I'm not sure. I don't think we have any coupons for that. And the True Living Essentials for $4 is also a good deal. Now, that is your only sales on that 3-day sale. And we also have our free money for the 3 off of 15 with the Purex. And we will do that deal at another time. We do still have lots of buy one, get one free, so to make really easy and great 5 off 25 scenarios. So if you want any of this BOGO stuff, if the store has the products, okay, you might want to wait until Saturday. But like in my case, Mr. Clean is all but cleaned out. So if I want Mr. Clean, I'm going to have to pick up some Mr. Clean today, because he's almost all gone here in my store. Alright, next up, looks like we have got 2 off of Cottonelle toilet paper. When you buy 2, which would be 10, so it would be 2 for $8. So a really good paper deal looks like coming up for Saturday. I'll put that scenario right here. Saturday scenario with lots of paper goods. Like I said, we don't have a whole lot on this right here. But, again, we have some double dip deals that aren't shown here. You've got a store coupon for these products right here, and we've got several urns. And the urns will work, or did work, with this coupon. So if you're using this deal, make sure you scan and clip any urns. Because the last time I used this was something that had urns, I did get my urn. Alright guys, I'm headed out to pay for my paper products, and I will see you next video. I love you bunches. Blessings.